typical enterprise data center contains lots of servers, but workloads vary widely depending on application requirements, user activity, or network conditions, so many servers spend much of their time sitting idle. That's a waste of precious hardware resources that demand expensive power, cooling, and ongoing maintenance. Server virtualization attempts to increase resource utilization by dividing individual physical servers into multiple virtual servers, each with its own operating environment and applications. Through the magic of virtualization, each virtual server looks and acts just like a physical server, multiplying the capacity of any single machine and easing server provisioning. In its most technically advanced form, virtualization software called a hypervisor creates a layer of abstraction between the virtual servers and the native hardware. The hypervisor can run virtual instances of several different operating systems at the same time, and the virtual servers need not be aware they are running in a virtualized environment. A second method is to run each virtual machine on a version of an operating system that has been specially modified to cooperate with the hypervisor. This technique is known as para-virtualization, and it offers a considerable performance improvement. Still, other operating systems incorporate their own form of virtualization at the kernel level. In these cases, virtual servers are still isolated from one another, but they are all running the same operating system. The advantage of operating system virtualization is performance similar to that without virtualization at all. Which form of virtualization is right for you will depend on various factors, but the decision has been simplified somewhat by recent hardware improvements. Modern processors often ship with built-in support for virtualization, which eases the burden on the hypervisor and can improve performance no matter which form of virtualization you use. It's important to remember, however, that while server virtualization can lower costs, it can also actually increase the complexity of the IT environment. Just like physical servers, virtual servers require ongoing maintenance and support. As your reliance on virtualization increases, expect to invest in a variety of specialized tools to support this new method of deploying server resources.